So in this video I would like to share how we can change the Aircon outdoor motor. So the first things, these things happen once your Aircon is on, and no matter you change your capacitor and sometimes your motor, your outdoor fan just didn't move. So by the time that is your outdoor motor is already old, then you need to replace the new one. I'm going to open the outdoor first. So here, this thing we need to replace the new motor. Make sure that you turn off your power. So make sure that you turn off all your power. For your safety purpose, you must turn off your power. And we have to remove this fan blade. So we need to remove these things, the fan blade here. So this is the new motor that I bought, and I'm going to replace this. I hope this will work. I hope this will fix it. Just nice. So this is, I bought the new, exactly the same model. So I'm going to replace this one. So we need to remove this motor. Let me just try to check the screw size. Maybe the screw size is a little bit missing. That we need to modify these things here. Before that, we need to wire it up. So follow the motor here. There's 3 wires. You just take these 3 wires out from here, the inside. So here is the new motor wire. I take out these 3 motor. I pull up from this new motor wire, and this is the old motor wire. So originally this is the 3 wire. This 3 wire is the old motor wire. So there's yellow wire, and then there's red wire. So red wire will come to the small capacitor here. Then the blue wire will go to here, the capacitor, and this yellow will go to the light in here. So we're going to just replace. So the red wire will remove the old one here and replace the new motor pins, and then this one is done. And the blue wire will remove this blue wire and just replace the blue wire here, and then it's done. And this yellow wire will remove here, and this yellow wire is for the new motor, is black wire. So black wire replace on the yellow. So the old Aircon motor we can remove right now. So now the old motor we already removed here. There's a 3 wire, exactly the same, just a different color. So this red is we replace to red, and blue we replace to blue, and yellow we replace to black. So everything is perfect, and here there's the screw size is not matching, so I need to modify. I need to make an extra the screw hole right here. Then I will install this fan blade. Then we install this fan blade, then that will be done. So now this is already replaced. So I'm going to install the fan blade, and this will be done. So if you want to replace by yourself, you just need to buy the same model that you can replace by yourself. So sometimes if once your motor is already old, then this motor getting very hot, and then in that case you must replace it. So now everything is already done.